बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Hello, hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. In this video guys, I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful button art and craft ideas. These are handmade button craft ideas for your home decor. You guys use your old buttons into new and decorate them as you want. So guys, keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are very amazing, very stunning and very beautiful button craft ideas. So viewers, these are super amazing and super unique button craft ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. These are top trending, top unique and very beautiful ideas for you guys. Keep supporting my channel guys. So viewers, these are top trending, top unique and very beautiful button craft ideas. So I'm glad to see you all. Hope so you all are doing well. These are top amazing, very beautiful and very latest ideas. Always think positive. Always be positive. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.